Nobody's talking about engagement and engaging on YouTube and the power that that holds, especially for new YouTubers, and what that looks like for a new YouTuber because you don't have any comments. You may not have any comments on your videos. So let's talk about it because is it just me or do you hear everyone on YouTube right now talking about authenticity? Be authentic, be real. People want to see the real, raw version of you right now on YouTube. And that's good. That's great because that makes it easy for us starting new channels or picking up old channels to jump right back in without having to be so competitive with larger channels that have production budgets or that have been growing communities for a while now. But while you're being authentic and someone finds you and all of your authenticity, what do? How are you connecting with them? How are you going to connect with those people that find the authentic you? Because we're all in search of human connection at the end of the day. That is why people are coming to channels like yours and mine because they're searching for an authentic human connection. They're not only searching for your authenticity, they're searching for an authentic human connection. How are you making that connection once your subscriber finds you? One thing that I am genuinely shocked by is when I hear YouTubers, especially new YouTubers, say that they don't actually watch YouTube. I'm genuinely shocked by that. I understand that you're a creative person and that you have extensive knowledge on certain topics, but YouTube overall does not reward you for having creativity or for your knowledge. YouTube rewards you for keeping people on the YouTube platform. As a new YouTuber, your job is to keep eyes on the YouTube platform by any means necessary. Maybe not any means, but we're going to talk about engaging to get subscribers. We're not talking about the lazy way of doing sub for sub, destroying the algorithm on your channel. I'm talking about engaging in the communities that already exist within your niche. You want to build a community here on YouTube, but there are already communities that exist within your niche. And they also want more authenticity. They also want to find you. But outside of having people find you, you can also go and find them. So what does that look like? When you go into YouTube Studio, you're going to see a tab called Audience. If you've uploaded enough content, you're going to see channels that your audience watches. You want to go to those channels. You want to watch the videos to see what your audience likes. You need to know this. You also want to comment on that video. You don't want to just stop there at commenting on the video. You want to like the comments of everybody that commented under that video. Then you want to go even further, leave a reply to at least 10 of the comments under that video. And you want to do that for every video that your audience watches. You want to set aside at least an hour a week to go and engage, especially if you don't have comments on your own page that you can reply to. Now, if you don't have enough uploads to get YouTube to give you your analytics, you can still do this, but what you're going to need to do is you're going to go and search within your niche. So again, this is where watching YouTube comes into play because you need to know the other creators in your niche. You're going to find creators that are in the niche that you're in, and you're going to go into their videos, watch their videos, comment on their videos, engage in the comments with others. Subscribe to people in the comments if you find people within the same niche. They will return a favor. So these are just a few tips to get you started engaging on YouTube. And please, please, please watch YouTube and watch my video on the right way to watch YouTube to grow your brand. If you made it to the end of this video, I crown you an official homepreneur. Head over to my Instagram /JewandOlive to pick up a cap, or you can pick one up at jewandolive.com. And if you like this video, like this video. If you like me, subscribe, and don't forget to tell me all about it in the comments. Bye.